So it works. That's a temporary fix. What it is the worm coming through this way is supposed to lift the plate, but she's lost its power to lift, so it needs a new one or a made one. So this is a temporary fix, so now I can use it to make one. If that makes sense, put your hands up. If it don't worry about it. Anyway, my little pipkins. Yeah, as well. Oh, I've cut that. How do I drill it? I can't use the tailstock. You welded on it. Have you got a fucking nut for that? Complications. I found that. That, I reckon, it's going to be an hard bit of meat. Plus, we then will find a nut to go on there if we thread it. You're all out there laughing your pickle onions off, but believe me, it happens to all of you. Start fucking losing everything. I just ain't got nothing here, you know, and it's causing me manic depression because I'm losing my mind. It's sweet music. I wish I could caress. Extension. So there's definitely that side, but so that's what we're using. We're going to put that nut on there and weld that nut on. I fed up the fucking right now, so. I can't run to the shops and get steel when I want it. I gotta work with what I got. What I got is not a lot, but I'm just gonna square up the fronts and backs and sides, and I put a bit of a slant on it as well, just to let the weld sink in. Right, Anton's warming up. Right, I'm going to weld that on there best I can. You can only waste so much fucking time. You can't waste all fucking day just for something stupid like this. So we're going to weld that nut on. Old fashioned, but my helmet is flashing like fuck. The lights are coming on now. Right, I want that to go in there, simple as. About 10 mil down. Now we want a 10 mil. Bollocks. bollocks and bollock and bollocks. I'm not through. Right, that's through. Through, hole in one. So, just the right. Just get rid of them burrs. There's Chris. Come on now, come on. If I said fucking please, would it make any difference? Well, what it was, is that drill is so, that drill is so old, the sides are worn, so it's now like under 10 mil. In other words, it was no fucking good. Look at it. And you can see there, I don't know if you can see that, there is worn. It's worn on the sides, not the pointy bit, the side, the flutes, the flues, the fucking thing on the fucking side. It's a rough old fix, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work in the end, isn't it? It's not a lot, but it's just enough to say I'm still tight. We'll run it again. We're going to run it again, yeah folks. We're going to run it again. Let me come through the other side this time. I want to tell you a story. That should go through there now. Which it does. That is supposed to go through there. So, nothing stop it. There it goes. So yeah, this thing is that thick, so it should, might not, but it just might. Obviously I'm going to cut that off. Yeah, I think it's going to be spot on. Could you see me get my hair off slowly? Because I was. Right, that should screw to there now. I will make another one. If this one works just long enough to make another one. Where's the fucking extension? Oh, fucking now. If I could find an extension bar, I add on that T-bar. I've got the T-bar. I've got no extension. Where the fucking hell would you have put that now? You never put the fucking grub screw back in. I see Yannick here, look, and I still had the grub screw on. I lost the fucking socket. So it works. That's a temporary fix. What it is the worm coming through this way is supposed to lift the plate, but she's lost its power to lift, so it needs a new one or a made one. So this is a temporary fix, so now I can use it to make one. If that makes sense, put your hands up. If it don't worry about it. But you know, it works great, but you know, it's not how I want it. It's a stupid design. Somebody's just got an hole there, and you just stick a spanner in, and it locks. Obviously it locks. This fucking cantilever you know, it's a good idea, but obviously I've had this thing probably about 40 years now, maybe, yeah, let's say 35-40 years. We did have the bigger one here, but we got rid of the bigger one to get a little one in, which is this one, and it works. It's got to wear, so we need some machine steel like that, and we'll do a new one. It's only a there's a dip in it, mill a dip out, so when it's there, if the dip is there, it's down, but as soon as you turn the bar, it pulls it upwards. It's a simple, very simple bit of working, but it's decided to give me jib today, so we're going to call it a day because it is working. So we'll make the part ASPPAS, SPAS, PAA, PPSS.